Hey drone nerds, Matt here. As responsible drone pilots, we try to do everything we can to ensure the safety of people and property during our operations. In today's video, I'm going to introduce a new product that adds an extra layer of safety to your missions. This is the SafeAir drone safety system for the DJI Mavic 3 series by ParaZero. It's an emergency parachute module that adds another layer of safety during your missions. Weighing in at just 185 grams, the SafeAir system mounts directly onto your DJI Mavic 3 drone, and I'll show you how to do that now. It comes with two self-adhesive mounting plates, and I have one pre-installed on the drone you can see here. Next, we're going to take the parachute module, unfold this arm right here, which goes on the right side of the aircraft. Once you get everything to fit into place like that, we're going to flip the drone upside down and use the ratchet strap here to secure the parachute system to the aircraft. And just like that, you're ready to start a mission. The SafeAir drone safety system independently monitors key flight parameters of the drone's avionics systems. Within the systems, the drone's flight profile is collected and is monitored for anomalies during flight. When critical failures are identified by the system during flight, the SafeAir module mechanically stops the propellers from moving. The parachute is then deployed and a full canopy is achieved in a fraction of a second. The aircraft is then put in a state of controlled descent to minimize the possibility of damage to the aircraft as well as the surroundings. The SafeAir drone safety system by ParaZero has a minimum altitude for deployment of 134.41 feet, and once deployed has an average descent rate of 13.48 feet per second, reducing the impact energy to an average of 6.1 foot-pounds. After deployment, this system can be repacked and used again on future missions. This package also comes with a long-range remote that can trigger the SafeAir system as well. This entire unit is very useful for enterprise pilots and can aid in obtaining compliance waivers as well as insurance. It also features a black box inside the SafeAir module, and that data can be accessed and analyzed when connected to a computer. When the system is installed, pilots will still maintain the same flight performance as they're used to during operations. As you can see, the SafeAir drone safety system is lightweight, sleek, and ParaZero did a great job making this unit easy to install and remove with an overall smart design that adds another layer of safety during flights. If you have any questions on the SafeAir drone safety system by ParaZero, go ahead and put those questions down in the comments. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you can see all of our latest Drone Nerds content. My name is Matt. Happy flying.